Let's consider adding URL to our page with a display text as YouTube. How can we achieve this? For this purpose, we utilize anchor tag. The short form is A. Enclose the text with YouTube. Now we need to add a property to the anchor tag. A property is additional information for tag, usually in the form of name value pairs. Here the property name is href, hyperlink reference. The value is the URL we need to provide. So when you save it, you can see the link will appear here. This results in the display of YouTube in blue text, which we can click. However, clicking will replace our page with YouTube page. If we want to open it in a new tab or window, we must add one more property called target. Target, there are 4 values, we need to give blank. So save it, and now if we click the YouTube, it will open in a new tab. Next, let's explore how to navigate between pages if our website has more than one page. So for that, just create another HTML page named contact.html. So though it is VS Code, just add exclamatory symbol and it will generate a default template for HTML. Add h1. Now go to the index.html, add one breakpoint, add an anchor tag with a relative path in the href attribute to link the contact page. So here start with slash and contact.html. So when you click this, it just go to the contact page. Inside the contact page, you can provide an email address. Let's say contact. Instead of user copying and pasting this email address into their email client, we can make it clickable link by adding a new mail to attribute in the href. Let's say add anchor tag with the mail to colon. So after this colon protocol, you have to give the email address. Email me. So when we click this, so it will open the default email client present in your machine. So what it will do is, so it will automatically take the email ID, add it in the to address. In addition to using mail to in the href, there are 2 more keywords that can be employed for telephone number, maybe mobile number. Let's say just for sample we give. Another one is SMS. So the same number you can provide, message me. So it is a call to action button we say in the browser. So let's add line break for each anchor tag. So these two tell and SMS particularly useful if a user access the website on a mobile device. So let's just click the call me. So we try to open in the FaceTime in Mac, though it is for calling purpose. So if we click the message me for SMS, it just opened the Messenger app. You may encounter instances of Wikipedia web pages where links are direct to specific internal headings within the same page, rather than navigating to different pages or website. For example, when we click a link labeled HTML5 on a Wikipedia page, instead of being taken to a separate page, the browser smoothly scroll down to the location of HTML5 heading. Additionally, you might have observed that in the browser's URL bar, f has followed by HTML_5. Subsequently, if you click on another link, the page will again scroll to corresponding section. Let's say semantic HTML. So you just scroll down to the semantic HTML section and the hash URL updated. How can we achieve this? First, in the index.html, just create some random paragraph. Now below that, so just create one h1 element with, let's say, HTML5 with the ID attribute. ID attribute in HTML stands for identifier. It is used to uniquely identify an element within a document. So when an element has ID attribute, it serves as a reference point that can be targeted by other elements such as hyperlinks or JavaScript function. ID should be unique in the whole page. So let's say here HTML5 we added. In the top of the document, just create one anchor tag, include href as has followed by this HTML5 ID. This equal to the ID value. Go to HTML5 section. So when you click this, you just go to the HTML5. You can see in the address bar it has HTML5 added. So in total there are 6 type of links that can be set using anchor tag. One is external link, another one internal page, that is relative path. In our case we had a contact.html. Another one, 3 protocols, mail to, tell and SMS, along with the hash name moving between the same page.